So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a graph to your design in Adobe Illustrator 2021. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click at the bottom of my toolbar. You should see that there are like 3 dots. So one click on it, and right here at the top right edge, you should see option right there. So one click on it and make sure you click on advanced. So when you click on advanced, you should see more tools, and one of the tools that will appear is the graph tool. So right here, you can simply click anywhere to enter the width and the height of the graph, or you can simply draw your box to simply add your chart. So for example, I'm going to type in men here and women here. Alright, so I'm going to add a number for men, so 3,500, and for women 2,987. Alright, then I'm going to click on apply right here at the check. You should see the check mark. So one click on it and you should see a graph. So now, before I show you how to change colors and stuff like that, there is an option that I want to talk about right here. It's the transpose. So if you click on transpose once and if you click on apply, you'll notice that it will add the labels underneath the bars. But this is not what I want, so I'm going to click on transpose again and I'm going to click on apply, and I like it this way better. So if you want to change the number of decimals and stuff like that, so you can click on the style right here and you can change the number of decimals, and this is the column width, so you can change these, but I want to keep them as is. So I'm going to click on OK now, and I'm going to close this. So now I'm going to save changes to graphics, so I'm going to click on yes. So I have a small basic graph. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the direct selection tool, and this way I'll be able to select every element right here. So for example, I'm going to click on this bar, and I'm going to change color to something else, to orange. And because I changed that color, I'm going to change this color to the same color. It just has to be the same. And I'm going to change this bar color also. So I'm going to change this one to this color. And I'm going to select this one, change it to the same color. Alright, so now we have a small basic graph. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to right click on the graph bar, and you should see that there are all types of graphs. So it's up to you what you want to use, but I would like to use the pie graph tool. So I'm going to select that one. Now again, I'm going to simply drag and just draw my graph here, and I'm going to type in men, women, just like that. So we are going to use the same data right here. So 2987, 30,500. Click on check. When you click on check, you should have a pie chart right here, and it shows the number of men and women. So now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to change the colors of this pie chart by clicking on the direct selection tool, and I'm going to select this part, and I'm going to change the color to orange. This one I'm going to change it to the same color. Now this one I'm going to change it just like that. So now we have a nice chart. So now nobody knows what does this graph represent. Well, we can simply click on T and we can type in the number of people who applied for unemployment, for example, and we can simply move it up here. I'll place it over here, and right here we can copy this one here. So now we have added 2 basic graphs to our design. So I recommend you all right clicking on the graph tool and just try whichever graph you want to use. So there are a couple of them right here that we have not used, but you can use them and they have the same concept. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be able to help you out. So thank you for watching as always, and I will see you all in the upcoming video.